still on the line?
I am, yeah.
I don't know why intercom fails for Dad. Can you get him?
I'll try here. See, he's number 1.
You there, radar? No, they dropped me.
No, I'm here.
Oh.
Yeah, I got an intercom failed on it.
What the hell?
He's just an outgoing only type of deal.
Wow.
He's only on when he wants to be on.
Gotta love technology.
So 1,000 feet here. Yeah, I bet we can get over it to at some point.
I would think so. Your what?
I had to put my reins on my bars.
Oh, yeah.
Legs on the pegs, back on the pack. Here's a TTM. Try 'em. Legs on the pegs, back on the pack, holding on to the fucking reins. It was sweet.
That's so awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, is that what that was about?
Yeah, there was a bunch of kids and they were joking around with somebody. And then, I don't know, he went into a porta potty or something. They kind of held the door closed. You know, just bullying him.
Yeah.
And he was part of the group.
He didn't stop it.
He didn't stop it, so he'll be in trouble for that. But I didn't light him up. I forwarded him an email, him and Tanya last night. I didn't light him up yet because I'll listen to his side of the story. But yes, at the end of the day, you need to be the bigger man, smarter man. Stop it so you can come on, idiots, and walk away.
Right.
If you can't stop it, walk away.
Right. And when they see you walk away, they'll probably walk away too.
Right. So.
Life lesson.
Oh, I'm sure he's reading the email and crying, you know.
Oh, you forward the email to Hunter?
Oh, fuck yeah. It was a pretty scathing email. Their docking is great in that class and everything.
Wow.
Yeah, they were on a field trip or whatever yesterday.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Yeah.
And you probably won't be able to get to go on the next field trip either. I'll let you pass me and I'll videotape you. I'll stay on the left.
I love the gravel right when you come into the corner.
Yeah, it's a nice feature.
Grabs your attention.
Yep. Yeah, I think my rear ABS is off too. I sometimes forget to do, it's so dumb. Because when you're on the road, then you have to use the kill switch. When you're off-road, because when when you want both front and rear on, you have to turn the key on with the kill switch off, and then opposite for if you want rear off. So sometimes I forget, and I most of the time use my kill switch, but
yeah. Well, at least you have that option. Mine doesn't.
Yeah.
But I was thinking about it like, okay, so I just can't go off. I can't go ABS, on, once you put the dongle on. So the rear is always off, and you can turn the front off. Those are your only two options.
Oh, okay.
So that's why some guys said, okay, just put a switch in line and disconnect your dongle so you can have front rear on. Diesel's catching up, looks like good.
Yeah, I must have a hole somewhere in the system.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, in my water delivery system. Oh yeah, my cap wasn't tight.
Can't remember if we told you, but for a stretch we were dodging snappy turtles and box turtles, and that would wreck your day.
Yeah, in a hurry.
Taking it right here, quick one. Yeah, no, Steve was open to the idea of doing a dash mount Hondo for his phone.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So Steve checked mine out. He's like, well, how do you keep it in? I said, I was conquered some pretty serious stuff with it. Never been an issue with this mount.
Right.
Other mounts I had problems with.
Yeah, but go ahead and try my old X grip for sure.
Yeah.
And then go ahead and try the next one, the Life Active. That actually, for me, that was just as good as the Hondo. I feel like it was a good system for around town, but it sucked to have that big knob on the back of your phone too.
Yeah. No, that was the downside to it. Off-road, I was just taking it on crazy stuff and whip off 3 times.
Yeah.
Once you get used to the Hondo, spin the dial 3 times.
Right.
I can't even remember what road number the Dragon was. you watch that Riding with Tom when he takes out the, what is it, the Triumph Scrambler? Scrambler? Or is that Ducati?
I don't know.
It was Triumph, whatever Triumph's, Scrambler style bike was.
Yep.
Yeah, he took it out off-road for the day. It was pretty freaking capable. I mean, other than having a tall first gear, he was pretty impressed that, he was wheeling the thing.
That's just like the retro bear bike?
Yep, yeah, this looks like I guess that's the type of bike they would call them scramblers, yeah. Comes with, he got it, the model that came with the TKC 80s on it.
Oh yeah, that's right, they came out with, semi-off-road. Oh, jerked his head.
Yeah, after 1,400 miles on the road, 2 days, about halfway into day 2, I caught Steve-O starting to do the fucking, as we go under a bridge.
Yeah.
You just get bored,
Right.
And I heard him do it, I didn't say anything, and then the next bridge we went under was more like a cave or a tunnel.
Yeah.
And he gets down there, he was on my pipe, and it was so freaking loud.
Oh, I bet.
It came through my mic, back to his mic, back.
Yeah.
That was diesel.
I don't see radar back there, but
Slower up on this straightaway.
these objects are closer than they appear.
Get them within sight today, not overdo it.
Well,
for a
yeah,
while.
as long as we avoid any gravel, I think he's happy. Oh, this is pretty. tnlakes.net.
Oh, and then we were going through these little towns everywhere, and one of them we couldn't get the light to change.
Oh no.
So we had to do like 3 rights, and
Yeah.
last day go all the way around the block. Anyhow, and we were hot and sweaty, middle of the day, and we're taking off out of town 25 miles an hour, and Roscoe comes up and he looks over hard at us. I'm like, what? I wasn't speeding or nothing. And Steve's on, he goes, "Hey, are you sure you weren't speeding?" I'm like, "No, not at all." Oh God, he really looked at us hard. And then he thought about it a while later. He goes, "Well, I don't know, unless you can't stand up on bikes."
Oh, he was standing.
I'm like, dude, in every state that I'm aware of, that's stunt riding. So yeah, he probably wasn't too happy with it.
Shaking his head like.
Might have to check the map here. Should we go left?
Looks to me like
Yeah, go left.
left.
Yes. Should we wait for him to catch up?
He's here.
Okay. Yeah. Go left, figure it out. 316.
Baptist Church. Oh, I'm really glad that he got to come. He seemed pretty excited too. He's like, he was talking about bringing the mom out here in the camper. He's like, gosh, I've never driven through here. We always skipped it, you know. We went on the East Coast or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah, it is really gorgeous. That's for sure. I just love the quick elevation changes and everything.
I thought their place was like right at the start of the tail.
No, it was quite a ways
Oh,
off.
okay.
Like looking at the map, I assumed that this is getting us to the tail. I couldn't find anything right on there that just popped up immediately for what I was looking for, a place for the parked RV.
Oh, yeah.
You know, so I'm sure you can stay right on the track. Yeah, I mean, if everything's like this, I don't mind going back to that freaking campground every night. That's an awesome place. Wow.
Right.
I couldn't believe how clean and fresh the bathrooms were, and the showers were awesome.
Right. The mattress on the bed was a little thin, but other than that, I was not really noticing that anyway.
No, I might whip out the air bed for that. But
Yeah.
I didn't wake up with a sore neck, shoulders, and back.
No, I didn't either. The pillows were great.
Yeah, they didn't even stink either. They smelled good. That's awesome.
Oh, I bet. Yeah, it got pretty warm yesterday.
The downside was when both mornings when we left, it was 50, 51 maybe.
Yeah.
My hat did get a little cold.
Yeah.
But it certainly helped out with all kinds of other issues. So, RV campground was cool.
It's so funny watching him over in the passenger seat while I'm driving, you know, passing, not getting over. He freaking rubbernecks right down in the mirror right away. Checks it out for me. Put a piece of duct tape over that concave part so he can't convex part so he can't see. Yeah, he did good. Ice, coffee, laundry.
Ice, yeah. Oh, and they even had boot dryers in the cabin.
Yeah, I saw that. That's a nice feature.
So we are taking a 217-mile trip today, and it's called the Ultimate Twisty Route. 215 miles, approximately 5.5 hours travel time only. Says, no, this is not a lazy day ride. You will see your own license plate. Alright. Over and out.
There's your Hardee's again.
Take a quick break here and see if we can get this,
I'd like to
radio.
fix my water and yeah. Slow.
Alright, then.
Blinkers on. Blinky, blinky.
What's that? No.
Not another Hardee's? What happened to your radio? Did you shut it off on us?
No.
It won't work. I can't get you.
Yeah, we're trying to look
2 times for anything. Check
Got it?
just the range or what?
two press.
Yeah, and that's what I was doing.
Or
Hmm.